We mastered supersonic flight 78 years ago, then we banned it. After Chuck Yeager broke the sound barrier in 1947, everyone wanted supersonic. The Concorde. Paris to New York in 3.5 hours. Mach 2. Twice the speed of sound. The future was here. Then came the sonic booms. Every time a plane goes supersonic, it creates a pressure wave. On the ground. Sounds like an explosion. Shattered windows. Cracked foundations. Terrified people. So in 1973, the US banned supersonic flight over land. Then Europe. Then everyone. The Concorde could only go Mach 2 over oceans. That killed the economics. Limited routes. High fuel costs. After a deadly crash in 2000, Concorde retired in 2003. And we've been flying subsonic ever since. We got slower. On purpose. But here's the twist, we're trying again. NASA's X-59. Shaped to produce a quiet sonic thump instead of a boom. 75 decibels, like a car door closing. If it works, supersonic bands could lift by 2027. Boom Supersonic is building Overture, Mach 1.7 passenger jets. We might get fast travel back. If physics and politics cooperate. Would you pay double for a 3-hour transatlantic flight? Or is slower and cheaper better? Tell me. And follow for the tech we almost had, and might get back.